Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Other defenses. Res Judicata. Res Judicata is under the section 300 CRPC. A person once convicted or acquitted by the court shall not be tried again for the same offense on the basis of same facts by any other court. That means if the person is already convicted by one court, then he will not be charged by other court. But here the person can appeal to higher courts also. That is res judicata.
thank you and thank you for watching.